Hello guys, today we are discussing the problem divide array into equal pairs. Before jump to the solution, first we need to analyze the problem statement. You are given an integer array nums consisting of 2 into an integer, which means the given array has even size. Now you need to divide nums into n pairs. Each element belongs to exactly one pair, which means that we can't use any element multiple times while calculating the pairs. The element present in a pairs are equal, which means that we have taken a pair in such a manner that both elements are equal. Return true if the nums are divided into n pairs, otherwise return false. If we can divide an array into n pair, that means half number of pairs, half the number of elements pairs, then we return true, otherwise false. Both the extreme naive solution, but I think let's implement it. First, I use the sort operation to sort the given nums array. Why we sort? Because while after sorting, we get the array in such a manner that we can compare adjacent elements that they are equal or not. That's why we sort. After sorting, what we do? We traverse from start to end of the array. And for we increment I is increment by 2. I will tell you why. Now we compare nums of I is agar if it is not equal then we return false. Is I plus 1 then we return false, which means that if let's suppose we have given an array of 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. After sorting, what we get? 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Now we compare each element with its next element. If we compare this 2 and 2, they are equal, which means it comes out from the root. It satisfies the condition. Now, we have seen why we plus 2 because we now compare 3 and 3, not 2 and 3. That's why we do plus 2. If they are equal, then they need to be jumped by 2. Now 3 and 3 are equal. Now this condition also satisfy, it comes out of the loop. Now we see the 4 is only one which is not which is not capable to form a pair, which which is which does not satisfy the condition. That's why return false. Now let's run the code. Yeah. You can see it is accepted. Now we need to optimize the complexity because we can see the complexity of sort is n log n, and for this loop the complexity will be big O of n. Why? Because we traverse each element. That's why its complexity is big O of log n log n. Now we need to optimize the solution. Optimize, we use hash map because hash map is used to count the occurrence of elements. So first we need to um, define the map. It stores the frequency of each element. So to store the frequency of element, we need to traverse each element. Now after this what we get in our map the frequency of each element. Now we check if the frequency is not even, which means that it cannot pair with a given condition. So to check that, now we traverse on our map frequency map. So frequency dot second 9 second. Move to which means it is not even. Is not equal to 0, then return false. Otherwise, return true. Let's see. You can see it satisfies the yeah. We can see that in previous approach, we see that the complexity is n log n. In this case, complexity is big O of n. Why? Because we do not sort the elements. Just we use the map to store the frequency of each element, which tell us whether the given array is compatible to form an pairs in given condition or not. Thank you. If you like, then comment and share with your friends.